This is Goalpara, one of the beautiful districts in Assam. It is a place surrounded by some breathtaking scenic beauties. This district includes people from different tribes exhibiting myriad colorful cultures and traditions.
Examples of green technology. It is the first of its kind in the entire Northeast India. It is cost effective, environment friendly, and most importantly, it is playing a vital role in the rural connectivity as well as socio-economic development of this beautiful Goalpara district.
Rural connectivity in the state of Assam and particularly in Goalpara district has been a matter of grave concern for the administration. In order to provide all-weather connectivity to the people of the district, Ministry of Rural Development had sanctioned 565 kilometers of road for the district under Pradhan Mantri Ramen Yojana. In order to reduce the dependence on natural resources in the construction of roads, the district administration have implemented various green technologies for road construction in Goalpara. The technologies which have been implemented are waste plastic technology, self-filled concrete technology, geogrid technology, cold mix technology and interlocking concrete pavement block ICBP.
अभी हम तो ये देख के तो बहुत खुश है अभी उससे और क्या चाहिए हमको ये हम लोग का दुआ है
আমি বহুত দুখ কষ্টৰে ৰাস্তাটো খোজকাঢ়িব লগা হৈছিল লগতে আমাৰ খেতি বাতিৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি এই স্কুল ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে আগতে সাইকেল লৈও যাব পৰা নাছিল খুবেই বেয়া আছিল কিন্তু আজি আমাৰ এই ৰাস্তাটো হোৱাতে আমি খুবেই আনন্দিত গাঁওবাসীও আনন্দিত
Road connectivity in Goalpara district is very poor. So Government of India has sanctioned 550 kilometers of road under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. But the greatest challenge was scarcity of forest matter in the district. So we have adopted new green technology like waste plastic technology, grid technology, CC block technology and self-fill technology. And with the help of new green technology, we have completed 150 kilometers of roads during last 6 months.